Here's how to boost your microphone volume in just 3 quick steps. First, open your settings. And to settings, click on System. And then Sound. Under Input, select your microphone. Now, use the input volume slider to increase your mic level. You should speak to your microphone to test it, and you will see the input bar move as you talk. Next, click More Sound Settings on the right. In the Recording tab, right-click your mic and choose Properties. Go to the Levels tab and turn up both the microphone and microphone boost sliders. Adjust slowly to avoid distortion. If your mic still sounds low, you should check this. Make sure the right microphone is selected as default. Update your audio drivers in Device Manager. And disable any apps that automatically controls your microphone volume under the Advanced tab. And that's it. You've just boosted your microphone volume in Windows 11. Speak clearly, test your sounds, and you're ready to record or call with crystal clarity. Please click like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.